All right, so Trump just got reelected. What does this mean for you as a woodworker or woodworking business owner over the next 4 years? In today's video, we're gonna dive in and find out. All right, well, welcome back to the podcast. Welcome back to the channel as always. And this may go down as our most controversial video of all time, just because I'm talking about Donald Trump. Yes, I am not here to argue or haggle with Trump supporters, Kamala supporters. I'm here just to talk about how I anticipate the next 4 years going underneath his leadership and what we are in control of and what we can expect to see since he is back in the Oval Office. So with Trump getting back in the Oval Office, being reelected, one thing that I know remains the same is that you're still in way more control of your life and your business than anybody in the local government or federal government is. This is one of the things that I see way too many people worry about way too much. Now, does government affect my life? Yes, but usually a very small percentage of my life. My tax rate, Social Security, things like that. Government does play a factor in that, but I am in control of my business growth, my mindset, my skill set. Guys, quit worrying or building up all this anticipation or this hype around who's in the office. Your rights are not going to be stripped away either way. The American economy is going to be the American economy. He's going to play a factor, hopefully in a more positive direction by lowering inflation, keeping interest rates under control, making housing more affordable. These are all things that we would hope for. But at the end of the day, I can only control what I can control. So I'm going to quit worrying about all this stuff. I'm going to quit watching the news, and I'm going to control what I can control. Okay? So with that being said, last time that Trump was in office, we had a pretty strong economy. Interest rates were good, inflation was suppressed, gas prices were low. That was what we know historically being under Trump's leadership in the past, okay, from 2016 to 2020. So my hopes are that we would find ourselves there again with his second term. Now, what does this mean for you as a woodworker? Well, what has happened the last 4 years, inflation has crept up in dramatic fashion, right? Inflation has eaten us alive. The same grocery bill that used to be $150 for my family each week is now $300 for the same products, same things. Housing has become mostly unaffordable to most people. It's almost an impossibility to save enough money to qualify to buy a home now. You have to make over 6 figures a year. So these are the problems that have kind of crept into our economy over the last 4 years. Now, with Trump in office and hopefully getting a little bit more control of inflation, lowering prices, making life more affordable again for the everyday average American, hopefully they should start having a little bit more disposable income. They should have a little bit more money to buy things that they want, not just the necessities that they absolutely have to have. And so what does that mean for you as a woodworker? Well, hopefully you should start seeing more sales. You should start seeing more projects, people coming to you, seeking you out, looking to buy your goods or your services. I'm not here to debate with anybody in the comments, so you can leave those comments, but I'm not going to debate with you about Trump or Kamala or any of those things. I'm here just to say, historically speaking, looking at where Trump took us in the past and where hopefully he'll take us again, the middle class and the upper class should have more disposable income. We should have a healthier economy, which means you should see more sales inside of your business. So hopefully this election was a good thing for you, a good thing for your business, and should help you have more money, more sales, more movement inside of your business to help you make more money and live a little bit more of a comfortable life, at least over the next 4 years. So with that being said, guys, this is an interesting video. Let me know your take on it, how you feel about it. Go for it in the comments. I will not meet you there, but love and appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one.